For breakfast, I'm going to have, I'll show you, some avocado, everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm gonna have all that. But I also wanted to have a little fruit yogurt bowl. I wish I had strawberries because I love the combo of melon with strawberries. This is a cantaloupe. Guys, I don't like cantaloupe. I haven't tried it in years though, so I'm gonna try it again. Almost. Yay! Yay! You're eating like a good girl. Yum, yum, yum. Need hot sauce. Okay, we're gonna do some upper body and abs today, but real quick, can we just take a second? My glutes are growing, baby. I've been working in the gym on my fitness. Half of the week I like to spend in the gym working on glutes. Half of the week I like to do my at-home workouts. Today I'm doing a Sydney Cummings Healthy Shell workout. I'm terrified for these abs. Yes, they burn. Look at my face. This workout was focusing on the lower abs, the triceps, the biceps, the shoulders, and a little bit of back. My goodness, goodbye roly-poly-oly, and I'm about to have a 10-pack. My baby just woke up. My girly woke up sad, and she has a bloody nose right here from scratching herself. Let me see. Oh, my baby. Mommy's working out. You gonna work out with me? Let me check this diaper. Oh, Mommy bought you new diapers yesterday. Finally, because we ran out, huh? Don't worry, she wasn't going diaperless. But right now she has on a Pampers diaper, which I do like these. I would probably say they're my second favorite. But the Millie Moon diapers, there's just nothing that compares. They're the best. Not me procrastinating my workout a little bit, but Millie Moon diapers, she's in a size 2 right now, but they are the best. Literally the best. They have a pH balanced liner, 12-hour absorbency, feather soft, dermatologically tested. And yes, my daughter is a crawler now. And then, in case you want to know what wipes I use, fresh cucumber, also shea butter. Amazing. This is just the Up and Up brand. She isn't very sensitive, so this works for her. I know a lot of babies have sensitive bums, so. I think they do have a fragrance-free and like sensitive wipe as well, but they're so affordable, and I love them. They smell so good. Okay, done my workout. You guys see the screen behind me? Do you see the white bean chili? Wait, I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, I'm out of breath. Do you guys see this? I'm going to make this for dinner tonight. I gotta go to Trader Joe's. Come here. Goodness, she's like fully crawling now and she's all over the place. I cannot keep track of her. Honestly, my abs are in so much pain and my arms feel like jello. Girlfriend, get over here. You know, I'm feeling the vibes tonight are just gonna be cozy. I'm gonna dim the lights. I'm gonna make it nice and moody in here. I'm gonna make some soup. I gotta go to Trader Joe's and get the ingredients for the soup. I wanna go run and do that really fast, and then I need to come home. I need to do some emails. I need to do like a bunch of work things. but it shouldn't take me longer than an hour. So I'm gonna do all that when I get back. Today, I just wanna do things that make me happy and help me get out of a rut, which you guys saw in my last video. I was kind of going through it and I just wanted to vent to you guys. And the response on that video literally was the most amazing thing ever. You guys are so amazing and I love you so freaking much. I can't even explain it. And I don't know, it sounds crazy, but it honestly made my day. It made me feel so much better and put me in a better headspace and a better mindset. I want to do some healthy grocery shopping. I got my at-home workout in, and I also wanted to, like, starting next month, because this month we're already halfway through, so, you know, starting next month, I want to start doing like goal setting. I used to do this all the time. I used to be so intentional with my time and my goals and just all that kind of stuff, and I feel like it just brings on more gratitude and makes you really appreciate your life so much more and makes you take a step back and see you want to accomplish what you've already accomplished, and it just really helps you to stay focused. And I don't know, I feel like I need more structure and more of that in my life. And I just really want to start making goals, even as little as they may be. It may seem to me, I just feel like if I am progressing in some sort of way or seeing myself try for something, that I'm gonna feel so much better. So I'll start doing that at the top of every month and I'll document it. I love watching those like goal setting and monthly reset videos. 1 second. Another thing I want to do today, if she goes out for a nap, which we don't know if a second nap will happen today, but if she does, I want to take today or tomorrow or whenever I get the chance to make a vision board. And I want to start doing these monthly too, but I kind of just want to make a fresh start vision board. And then I'm going to set it as my screensaver. Sorry, Halo. Actually, we can have Halo be the outside one, but the inside screensaver, which is what? Oh, it's just palm trees. We'll have that be my vision board so I see it every single day. I'll even set it on my computer desktop and all that kind of stuff so that it's just in my face every day and reminding me of what makes me happy. Haul time! And these pastas, because they look real good. Cascatelli. Can you like stop throwing up on me? I got these. Oh, bananas, tomatoes, avocado. Got miso ginger broth. I don't know. I felt like it was gonna be yummy. Some squash, eggplant. This is a healthy haul. Kiwi, zucchini. I got this to try. Creamy cashew cultured yogurt. Pumpkin spice flavored. Seafood medley. Spinach. Sam drinks goat milk. That's disgusting. But I got him 3. I got some vegan Caesar dressing, seaweed, some vegan bolognese sauce, coconut shrimp. Okay, so midway through my Trader Joe's haul, I was like, let's switch it up. Let's make this fun. Let's make the content more interesting. So I decided to violently, question mark, throw all my groceries on the countertop where you can't even see what I got. Just know, I pretty much bought out the entire Trader Joe's produce section. Every fruit, every vegetable on my Healthy Girl shiz. And did you guys see that instant boba? Oh my gosh, it's so good. And I also bought another cantaloupe. Did you see? These are also just all the ingredients I need for my vegan white bean chili soup tonight, which I'm so excited to make and actually turns out pretty good. Okay, also, I bought myself flowers. Love me. And yeah, that's it. Sheesh. Is this how the pros do it? Or they go like this, right? They go. Gosh, my fingers. I want to keep them. I know that's not how I do it. Okay. I'm getting better day by day though. You can't even say I'm not. Gordon Ramsay, Rachel Ray, Mr. Me Ashton. The national anthem really helps me get hyped up to cut. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, slay. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death and cut all these vegetables. The vegetables are chopped. We have garlic, jalapeno, green pepper, and onion. Okay, now the directions. Okay, into a large pot, add olive oil and heat on medium for 30 seconds before adding in onion. Cook it down for 8 to 10 minutes and stir often. Okay. My olive oil's all the way up there. 2. Up. Great. cradle. 1, 2. For all my cheerleaders out there, y'all know. The thing about soup is that your whole house just smells so good, so fall vibes. Let's add in the onion. I'm also gonna add in half of the jalapeno and half of the green pepper. Laundry today, we cleaned, we did our Bible study. We're just having a very wholesome fall day. I did an at-home workout, you know? Today's just like one of those days after a rut and you just don't feel your best self, but you need to take care of yourself and do quality, good, happy things. And that's what today was. All right, I'm gonna cover that for 8 minutes. I love cilantro. Everyone comment down below, do you like cilantro or do you hate it? Because there's no in between. There's no one out there that's just like, yeah, it's okay. You either loves it or hate it. And I love it. I did hear somewhere that like not everyone's taste buds can taste cilantro the way it's meant to be tasted. Like some people's taste buds genuinely make it taste like soap, I think they say. That's so unfortunate because cilantro is so delicious.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. Just give me a...
The chili is chillin', and I'm gonna make some cornbread. Just using this Jiffy corn muffin mix. You add egg, add milk. That's it. I'm finally about to do what I've been wanting to do for a really long time, which is switch over Halo's diaper bag. This is, I'm literally about to expose myself right now. This is very embarrassing. Ugh. This is my Victoria's Secret. Honestly, it's just disrespectful. Like, I want that bag for myself. I want that to be my bag, mama's bag, not little Miss diaper bag. I got this cute new bag. It's from the brand, what is it? Lully Baby? It's that brand right there. This is in this really pretty color. It's like cappuccino or latte or something. But I don't know, I thought it was cute. It's a backpack, so you could wear it around super easy. And another thing is, like, this looks like a diaper bag, this doesn't, so when I'm hauling around Target with this big bag, I know people think I'm just putting things in my bag. There is a bunch of like compartments and stuff in here, so I don't know. It's actually made to be a diaper bag, so we're going to go ahead and fill this thing up. We're going to transfer everything from my Louis. We're matching. Mwah. Say hi. We gotta get a picture today, baby, because we're matching. Yeah. Go a kiss. Okay, here you go. Sit down. You're being good. Love ya. Okay, let's do this. Genuinely scared. I just told myself, okay, enough's enough, because I just pulled this out of my diaper bag. On the outside, we have a pepper spray and a hand sanitizer. And then we have this mirror, which is actually not for me, it's for Halo. She loves mirrors. Literally, she's playing with one right now. You better sit down. We got, oh, it's empty. Empty body armor. We have a piece of plastic. It's actually like a coffee lid. We have her dolly. We have an extra outfit and an extra bow. Do you want to put a dolly? Look. Hi, Halo. We have some water, wipes, which we're gonna need to transfer. one of these bottle stoppers, which she doesn't use those anymore. I have a mommy things pouch. Okay, what do we actually even have in here? I have a superfood shake for breastfeeding. I have a sticky note that says, "The kingdom of the world has become the kingdom of our." I didn't finish. This is for my Bible study, but I don't know why that's in there. And then I have a Hydro Mom green. Oh, I'm gonna drink this today too. Okay, we'll put those back in the mommy pouch. Have some lip balm, which we would keep. We have a little alcohol pad sanitizing wipe from the flight. Another extra outfit, so we don't need that. Burp cloth. Gonna play this? This is like the only book she really likes. We have another bow and another bow, which we don't need those. We have poopery. Oh, gotta have this. This is the Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater. Essential. We have some diapers. What is this? What is this? No idea what this is. We have another water bottle. We have her. Ew, it has dog hair on it. Okay, well, we'll sanitize this. We have her banana toothbrush. This thing I'm obsessed with. It's a nose and ear picker. It's by Frida Baby. This thing like switches. You get the ear, you get the nose. Pick it. There you go. We have these little snacks, which are her favorite. It's the apple pumpkin. It's actually good. I'd be snacking on them too. We have saline drops, which we'll keep in there. We'll keep these in here. Those are probably bad. We have a diaper. Don't worry, it's not poop. Don't judge. What's this? Oh yeah, my mom gave this to me this weekend for my grandma. It's just a cute little baby's first Christmas ornament, so we'll put that on the tree. A diaper spray, a little teether tool, tampons. Guys, I started my cycle again. We have a Q-tip. It's not used. We have some vanilla hair perfume, which is mine. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Diapers, I need to actually get more. Q-tip, trash. We have, oh, these are actually really handy. She doesn't use them too much anymore, but when she was a newborn, she loved them. They're like little rattles that you strap on their wrists and their ankles. I have another lip gloss. Some old breast milk, which is just great because love when you waste the liquid gold. Spoon with a hair on it. We have a camera battery. We have a ball from her Love Every box. We have 2 more lip glosses and a binky. She doesn't take these kind of binkies anymore, so this does not belong in there. This is one of her Tony's toys. These types of binkies she does, and a Bubba cap. That actually wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. So now I get my Louis back. And I also need to add some things to this diaper bag. I need to get more diapers. I like to carry 7 diapers on me at all times. Wipes, diaper spray, saline spray, nose picker, poopery, messy stain eater. This goes in my pouch. I'm gonna pack this in a new diaper bag, and I haven't got to use it yet, but Halo's at the age now where she can use it. And it's like a portable mat thing that you can put on the table at restaurants and stuff. She can play on it, put her snacks on it, and you don't have to worry about it getting like all nasty from everything at the restaurant.